Dropshipping is becoming a highly competitive space. That's because anybody and everybody can find a product, build a website, and start running ads. I'm going to be breaking down the most critical part of dropshipping, which is finding a winning product. With these simple yet effective strategies, you're going to be able to find winning products in minutes that could turn into a 6 or 7 figure dropshipping business. I'm also going to be revealing a winning product that you can test out right now at the very end of the video, so stay tuned. Before we start going through these powerful strategies, we first need to talk about what makes a winning product, because if you don't know what you're looking for, it's going to be gone in a blink of an eye. Now, there are multiple factors and things that I look for in a winning product that determines if I'm going to even test it. But these are going to be the main ones that I recommend you pay attention to. The first criteria that I look for is going to be a fairly common one. It's a huge benefit for your customer. And that is that the product is a problem solver. Let's look at these ring lights, for example. Now, this isn't a product that I would test out right now just because of the competition, but it's an incredible product.
If your lighting looks like this or this, let me show you how we can get it to this. Allow me to introduce you to my secret for creating awesome looking TikTok videos. The ring light from LumeCube. You can adjust the color temperature, you can adjust the brightness. Whoa, gonna need some sunglasses for that. And it moves around easily because you can pop in the batteries and take it anywhere. Whether you're recording tutorials and sharing tips or grooving to all the TikTok dances you can find, the LumeCube ring light is a must-have for all of your video content.
Everybody and their mom wants to be a content creator. I want to be a YouTuber, I want to be a TikToker, I want to be an IG influencer. This product helps make their content incredibly better. Everyone knows it's all about the lighting. Many of these kids are making content from their dark, dim lit rooms in their mom's house, and they're looking for a solution that can bump up the quality. Unfortunately, they don't have thousands and thousands of dollars that they can throw around for studio lighting to make this super professional. That is why this is an affordable solution that anybody can purchase. The second criteria is that it has to have mass appeal. It can be sold to many, not niche down like a Dragon Ball Z nightlight. Sorry, but that's peanuts when it comes to what we're actually trying to accomplish here. That means that ideally anyone or a large amount of people can be very interested in this product. Chances are you've seen these galaxy light projectors that are going viral on, TikTok and all around. And if you haven't, I'd actually be very surprised.
I finally got a galaxy projector, and OMG.
This is a great example of a product that has mass appeal. We spend a lot of time in our rooms, and this product makes that experience incredibly better. Hitting on that last point as well, this is a product that makes your content a lot better too. If you were to scroll through TikTok right now, I guarantee that 1 in every 3 videos you see has some sort of colorful lighting in the background. That's a lot of people and a big audience. This allows you to scale. I focus on these types of products because if I find one, I can build it into a 6 or 7 figure business, versus just finding a handful of 5-figure ones that creates a lot of headaches. The third criteria is shareability. Shareability is something that I don't see a lot of people talking about. In a world of virality, especially TikTok, this is the currency of business. Virality equals free marketing. When you have a product that thousands of people are taking their friends and families on, it's hard for you not to be profitable. There's also a famous quote from P.T. Barnum that says, "Nothing attracts a crowd quite like a crowd." What I'm getting at here is social proof. If you have thousands of crazy internet people tagging each other and commenting, people are naturally gonna feel the energy in there, and they're gonna wanna go check out your site. I've talked about this slushy maker several times in past videos because it is such a great example.
You know about rolling down in the deep. Down in the deep.
These videos get hundreds of thousands of views, if not millions, on every single video. That's because people need their friends to see this product. Now, a little bit of the comments on there are a little bit crude, but like they say, all publicity is good publicity. The more people that are tagged, the more awareness to your products, the higher probability that you have of getting customers. I'm gonna mention right now that I noticed a lot of you are not subscribed, and it's a little bit strange. You might be interested to know that I'm dropping a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a 6-figure dropshipping business next week. I'd encourage you to subscribe right now so you don't miss out. Let's continue though. And just one more thing that I forgot to mention that I know you're gonna like is I just put out a cheat sheet, a checklist, whatever you wanna call it, on my IG of product research, the do's and don'ts, how to find winning products, all this stuff laid out into an easy to follow visual that you can use as you're doing this rather than referring to a 10-minute video, whatever this comes out to. That's gonna be out of my IG. I just created this IG and starting to put out content that I cannot put on TikTok, I cannot put on YouTube just because of formatting. And I'm liking how it's coming out. Last week I actually put out a 100 books to read before you die. That kind of stuff's gonna be out there, dropshipping stuff, tutorials, little guides that you can use. I highly recommend you go check that out, follow the account, and watch the gold mine come in. Obviously, those aren't the only criteria I look out for, but I wanted to keep it very simple for this video. Okay, so now that we've covered what to look for in products, I'm now gonna break down exactly how to find these products in minutes. I've talked about my main strategy to find winning products is to look in your own newsfeed and several other videos, but I've got a few secret methods that I'm gonna show you right now. But you should definitely be looking in your own feed as a general rule. These are the ads that you look for engagement with, you interact with, and that allows you to have a sustainable strategy to get fed free, winning products time and time again. But we already know that strategy. Here are 3 powerful strategies that you can use in addition to my main strategy. The last one is my favorite, and I promise you, you probably have never seen it before. The first method I use is going to the Facebook ads library. Let's say that you find an ad on Facebook or know a dropshipping brand that does very well. Hop over to the Facebook ads library, search up their name, and find any current ads that they're running right now. This will give you more ideas of products that these dropshippers are testing in real time that you can, add to your own arsenal. The benefit is you find these products in their infancy and potentially hop on the trend before they blow up. I encourage you to have a spreadsheet for these companies and periodically check in, week to week to see if they continue to run ads. If they are running ads more and more every single week, chances are something is working and they've done all the heavy lifting for you. Another quick tool I like to use is to hop over to AliExpress. I don't like AliExpress, but it's a decent research tool. When you get over there, scroll all the way to the bottom and click All Popular. Now I realize there's a dropshipping center on AliExpress, but I typically don't use that anymore just because they seem to show the same products over and over again. With this technique, you can actually sort through different niches and find products that you've never seen before. For example, we have this 3D illusion mat. Now I've seen this product before, but I have not seen these other products that I found through this method. I will be the first to admit that the user experience is not that friendly and you don't exactly know what you're getting into, but I promise there is some gold to be found doing this. I encourage you to keep a nice spreadsheet of all your products, have the AliExpress link, have the name of the product, have any Facebook ads, and keep anything that you need in order. Now let's talk about my favorite winning product research method. But first, I want to mention that if you want the fastest and the highest probability to being successful in dropshipping, you should check out my one-on-one mentorship program. As you know, we're entering in Q4. This is the greatest opportunity you have as a dropshipper, and I want to be the one to guide you through and be my next success story. So if that sounds interesting, fill out the 2-minute application down below. Now, my favorite method for finding winning products is quite simple. Going through sourcing agents. This is something that literally no one is talking about. A sourcing agent, if you don't know, is a middleman between you and the manufacturer that gets your product. They have a pulse on what is selling in the industry. Here's how you do it. Hop over to Facebook and type in dropshipping groups. You will want to find one with tens of thousands of members. It will be private, so you will need to request access. Once you have access to the group, here's what I want you to type out. Hey, I'm currently doing 30 plus orders a day. If there's anyone that's a good sourcing agent, you should reach out to me, or if you know someone, have them reach out to me as well. Once you get in contact with the sourcing agent, you're gonna wanna, position yourself as someone that actually is selling products, and so you send them one that is very popular at the time. Now, it's okay if you do not actually sell the product. You're going to tell them that you are shopping around and you're looking for the best prices. In the meantime, you can ask them if they've noticed any products that are currently exploding that they, are working with. And they should know because they are at the heart of the logistics for these products. Sometimes they don't have any suggestions. Sometimes you actually hit a jackpot. I've personally used this strategy and I found a 6-figure product that I have never seen before. Now, here's a winning product that I found through my sourcing agent that you can go ahead and test out right now.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do, and one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Stress bubble phone case, and normally I wouldn't sell anything related to phones, especially cases, but this one caught my eye. Stress relief products always seem to do well, and that's probably because we're all just stressed out all the time. Now, these bubble poppers are something that I have seen do really well on TikTok before, but I've never seen it transitioned into a phone case. Should I make a story around this and bring you along for the results, or just leave it be and let you guys take advantage of it? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, if you want someone that can help you find the perfect product, that's exactly something that I do in my one-on-one mentorship program that I mentioned earlier. There's a 2-minute application down below that you can fill out right now. You should at the very least go check out my YouTube video on top 10 winning products to test out right now. I'm gonna leave a link to that below. As always, drop a big like on the video, drop hashtag winner down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And as I always say, until next time, peace.